Appoint an AI champion to ease adoption. Question number 7. How to ensure GDPR CCPA compliance with AI employees. In the UK, GDPR demands data transparency. In the US, CCPA requires opt-outs. Use AI tools with built-in compliance like Salesforce Einstein, like Scaling Founder CRM. A London agency avoided fines by auditing AI data flows monthly. Always get legal advice for regulated sectors. Question number 8. How do AI employees enhance lead scoring for SMEs? So AI predicts leads qualities using behavior data. A $3 million Bristol SME used Apollo AI's AI to score leads, prioritizing 20% that converted 3 times faster. Integrate with your CRM to automate scoring and focus sales on hot leads. Our Scaling Founder CRM integrates with smart leads and then also score the lead. And then from that scoring, you can actually fire off different kinds of automations and messaging. And that has changed the game. So, question number 9. How can startups use AI for hyper personalized outreach? And in our busy internet world, and with all the spam and nonsense out there, this hyper personalization is a superpower. So AI crafts tailored emails based on lead data. A $1 million San Francisco startup used Perseido to personalize 500 emails daily, boosting replies by 25%. Apollo AI's training will tell you they've got a term called Show Me You Know Me, and that is boosting open rates. We're getting 37-40% open rates because of this. So start with free tools like ChatGPT for small batches, then scale to paid platforms. Right, question number 10. We're halfway, almost there. Yeah, stick with me. What's the cost benefits of AI employees versus human SDRs? AI costs less upfront, say 5K a year for Apollo IO versus 60,000K for an SDR. But humans excel at complex deals. So, a $5 million Chicago firm used AI for initial outreach, saving 50% on cost, while SDRs closed high-value leads. Hybrid is best for mid-market. You want to use the AI to do the grunt work. You want to use your SDRs to close the big deals. And with proper AI in place, you will get to those big deals. Question 11. How do $5 to $10 million firms scale AI employee usage? So start with one department like sales, then expand. An $8 million Denver SaaS firm scaled AI from lead gen to support, cutting costs by 30%. So because with AI, you've got a knowledge base that you put in, and AI at the end of the day can answer support questions better than a low-level employee, and you can free your employees up for more important human-facing tasks. So use metrics like time saved to justify expansion and train teams incrementally. Question number 12. How to train AI employees for early stage B2B needs. So you need to feed AI clean data like CRM leads, and then you tweak your outputs. In our Scaling Founder CRM, you can import your web address, your URL, and the AI will scan your website and start supporting and reaching out according to the information in your website. And from there, you can tune and fine tune. So 500K Edinburgh startup trained ChatGTP on 100 leads to refine outreach, improving accuracy by 40%. Use small data sets initially to avoid overload. Okay, so question 13.